harvesting season. Today we're going to make a kite, but not a normal kite, a bird kite. So let's get started. So these are all the materials that we need. Paper, scissors, thread, markers, glue and a stapler. So let's get started. So first we're going to fold the paper in from the middle. Then again you're going to fold it from the middle. So we're going to press on the corner. So again we're going to fold over here and then press over here. Then you're going to make a pencil mark here. And we're going to bring this to here. So we're going to staple in this point. Here we have to staple halfway so there will be a hole to put the thread inside. Now I'm going to put the thread. Look, I put the thread inside there. We can fly the sky like this to cut out the extra portion. I'm going to decorate my kite. I'm coloring the beak of the bird. So we're going to glue this inside there. So we're going to make the feathers. I'm going to draw a leaf, tail. So my bird kite is ready. Time to test it out. So let's go out. Wow! If you like my bird kite video, please like and subscribe. Bye!